What if building a new habit was as easy as adding it something you already do? Most of us struggle to start a new habits because we try to fit them into a busy schedule. The truth is we don't need more time, we need smarter triggers. Namaste Karyans, I'm Vanitha Ganeshmurthy, your Vedic to-do list coach and the founder of KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub. You're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks where we grow 1% every day the Vedic way. Today's episode is about a powerful technique that is habit stacking. In Vedic practices, routines are built around Sandhya Kaala, that is the natural junctions like sunrise, noon, and sunset. These transitions acted as anchor for prayers, reflection, and discipline. Similarly, in modern productivity, habit stacking works by attaching a new habit to an existing one. For example, after brushing teeth, practice 2 minutes of pranayama. After writing Vedic to-do list, chant one sankalpa aloud. After evening tea, review the day's task. So what are the action steps that you need to take? Karyan, pick one existing habit and stack a baby step on it to it today. Remember, consistency is easier when your habits flow together, like beads on a mala. If this inspired you, share this episode with someone who wants to change but feels stuck and join our KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub where we turn small actions into big transformation the Vedic way. I wish you all to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.